So what's the best crypto trading platform in Canada? This video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. Now, if you want to start trading crypto in Canada, finding the right platform is key. So I'm here to guide you through the best steps to make your trading very smooth and successful, okay? So step one, look at a trading platform that is easy to use. Crypto.com is one of the best choices because it's simple and it's perfect for beginners. You can even buy, sell, you could track your crypto easily with just a few taps on your phone. And I got something to tell you at the end. Now, step two, security is very important. Make sure that the platform has strong safety measures to keep your investments secure. Crypto.com uses top-notch security features like two-factor authentication and strong encryption to protect your assets, okay? Step three, once you're set up, you're gonna explore all the tools that the platform has, okay? Crypto.com has helpful tools like price alerts, news updates, educational materials. They keep you informed and they help you make smart decisions when you trade. That's why I love them. Now, by following these steps, you can confidently start trading crypto in Canada and feel safe while doing it, all right? Now, what I wanted to tell you, if you're not one of 100 million people already on Crypto.com, open an account through my referral link in the description because we're gonna both get rewarded in very nice ways. And then you can do the same with other people too.